If you're a subscriber looking for more Wobbler content, then I'm sorry, this is not that. This is an exhaust comparison review video between FZ-09 with stock exhaust and an FZ-09 with Two Brothers S1R full system. So if you don't want to watch that, then come back next week. I'll have a new video every Friday from here on out. So the cool thing about this exhaust comparison is that I'm using an audio recorder on manual settings. So this is your volume warning because there's going to be parts of this video that are really loud and parts that are really quiet. But the cool thing is that it should get about as close as you can to being there in real life and hearing one bike next to the other. So you should be able to switch back and forth and really hear the volume difference between the two bikes. And I've recorded the settings that I used and the distances and everything, so I'm going to go try and repeat this with other FZ-09s with different systems and just get a really nice comprehensive suite of all the exhausts so that you can compare them side by side and figure out which one you like best. Thanks for watching that exhaust comparison, and thank you, Sean, for coming out, letting me record your FZ-09 with that awesome Two Brothers exhaust system on it, and just lending me so much of your time and help. I've got new videos coming out every Friday. Not all of them are exhaust comparison videos. One of the ones coming up I'm super excited about is a cheap scooter challenge. New video every Friday. Thanks for watching. See you next time.